Gentlemen and lady girls, it is time. Let's install the pipe.
Oh, T15 to take this cover off. And then there's one underneath as well. One there. Wasn't on very tight at all, that. That just pops off. 13mm spanner on the back of this. Camera. Just loosen that up. There'll be a gasket here as well you want to be wary of. Just going to take this out because it's easier to get off then. No, the gasket has stayed on there, that's fine. There you go. So you want that gasket sitting there like that, and then you want these clamps. I'm going to just put this on here like this. We won't need these again because it just hangs off the bracket. I'm going to put the bracket back together. There we go. Just takes a little bit of finagling really, just to get this fucking thing on both sides. I've actually scratched the shit out of this, look. Because of all this faffing around like a dick I've been doing. Right, stay there. I think that's it. There we go. Put the cover back on and stuff, obviously. Out. It's a substantial baffle that. Okay. Might be overheating at this point. That's hot. Snip them up. Done.